If you want to perform a factory reset on your Samsung Galaxy A36, it's quite easy to do so. First of all, keep in mind that factory reset will erase all of your data, so you have to create a backup before that if you want your data to be saved, of course. Now open up your settings and let's scroll down to General Management. Now simply scroll down to our Reset section. Here we gotta press Factory Data Reset. Press Reset, enter your current PIN, press Delete All. Now we have to verify a password for our Samsung account, right? Let's do it. And basically that's it. Now our phone is resetted. And I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.